Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Cultrotech Svarn 3 here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty beautiful knife. It's quite expensive. It's even if it's discontinued, the retail price was around $1,800 US. This is completely handmade in Russia. It's a liner lock. It's beautiful. The handles are 3D machined carbon fiber with these titanium inlays, just insane. It's a beautiful 4-inch drop point blade with this like mirror wash finish going on. Awesomely sharp. It's M390 steel, Yanhook heat treatment up to 64 in the Rockwell scale, flat ground. The sound it makes is unique. Is this one. You feel the whoosh of the washers. Yes, guys, this is running on washers. It's insane. The action is the best action on washer ever. It's 4.4 ounces in the pocket. Fit and finish is incredible. The clip is deep carry pocket clip, perfectly integrated into the overall design. The grip is astounding. There's no hot spots. The right amount of jimping going on here and here for the reverse grip. Just incredible, guys. Super smooth, lightning fast. The detent is great. It's fantastic. So, but if you want to know more, please check out the full-length review. And thanks for watching and stay tuned.